it's a double whammy for Johannesburg residents who are being urged to use both water and electricity sparingly.
Yeah, so listen to this. Certain parts of the metro have been left with little to no water, with stage 6 load shedding also affecting pumping stations. Ahmed Kajee has the details.
The city of Johannesburg is calling on residents to use water sparingly during load shedding periods. This after Eskom implemented stage 6 load shedding from 4:30 this morning. Water pumps at various towers tend to be isolated during load shedding periods and cannot pump up water into the towers. Areas and residents in and around these specific towers tend to experience low water pressure or no water at all during these periods. The city of Johannesburg has called on residents to use water sparingly during load shedding and power cuts. Low water pressure is not the only challenge residents of Johannesburg are facing. Saleh's Bakery in Joburg needs to start production at 5 a.m. every morning ahead of opening times. But with load shedding at 4 a.m. in the area, production has been halted. Manager Mohammed Saleh says they are looking at investing in bigger generators or inverters to ensure power supply.
We do have a single-phase generator that just runs our lights, our plugs and our 2 display fridges, as you can see. In terms of putting on a bigger generator, we're going to have to look for that in the future. But that's just the cost of it is crazy to run a 3-phase generator to run our equipment and mainly our main oven.
The hospitality sector has also been negatively affected by load shedding. But some restaurants have actually seen an increase in patrons.
Yes, people do come out to eat. I think a lot of people don't have a choice but to come out to eat because they don't have power at home. But like I said, you get the foot traffic, but it slows down things. And at the end of the day, you don't want to have any unhappy clients. So it puts pressure on the kitchen and on the business as a whole. And because of the costs and things involved with it, it also affects your bottom line and affects the business as a whole. It affects the economy.
Eskom says that load shedding is mostly implemented due to infrastructure failing and low generation capacity. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ahmed Kajee in Johannesburg.